Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how you guys can change your text color on your Squarespace website. So it's a fairly easy process to actually do, so let's go ahead and get right into it. So what you're going to want to go ahead and do is, for the obvious, be on your Squarespace website editor. So from the Squarespace editor, you're going to want to go ahead and click on design on your left hand of your screen. So click on design, and from design, you're going to want to go ahead and click on site styles. Now from site styles, you guys can see there is fonts, colors, animation, and much more options below. You guys can go ahead and click on colors, and from right here, you can actually, choose a palette that you actually want to, change your text to. Now, basically, you can do it like this, or you can actually go back, double click on the section you want to edit, and then from here you can actually click on it, and you don't have to use the palette because it is preset, but you can use custom and then just change it from there. Now you can see right here there is, it actually changes, so we're gonna set this to a nice black, and you guys can see that's pretty much how you go ahead and change the text color on your Squarespace website. So it's pretty easy to actually go ahead and do, and you can pretty much do it on all the other sections that you actually want to go ahead and do it to. So that's pretty much it for the tutorial, guys. Hopefully you found this tutorial very helpful, guys. If you guys haven't already, drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you guys comment down below your feedback. Your feedback is insanely important, guys. It's very important to this channel, so go ahead and drop it down. And with that being said, I'll see you guys for the next video.